Okay, so this is the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe. I actually have not read the instructions yet. I just put it together using common sense. So I won't be going into how to put it together because it's pretty easy, didn't take long, or how to use it, since that's pretty easy too, and you can read the instructions. This is a floor of a house that I have just taken ownership of. This tile probably hasn't been cleaned in 10 years, and there was a giant desk in this spot. So I swept, and that's all. I filled the wash container. There's two containers, one for dirty water, one for clean water. I filled the clean water container with vinegar, about a third vinegar, and the rest tap water. So let's see how it does. I turned it on to wash, and I'm pushing, that's what that looks like. Wash, dry. So I have it on wash, and turn it on. Spending a little extra time over the dirtiest spot. And let's see if I can get closer to that edge. So that's how this machine performs.